Welcome back to Details, your ultimate destination for everything coins, collectibles, and history. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the 1974 United States Kennedy half dollar. This iconic coin holds a special place in American numismatics, and we're here to explore its history, design, and of course, its value in today's market. So, grab your magnifying glass and let's get started. First, let's talk about the coin's design and specifications. The Kennedy half dollar was first introduced in 1964 to honor the late President John F. Kennedy. By 1974, the coin was already a staple of American currency. The obverse features the iconic profile of John F. Kennedy, designed by Gilroy Roberts. It's a powerful tribute to one of America's most beloved presidents. On the reverse, we see the presidential seal, a bold eagle clutching an olive branch, and arrows. Designed by Frank Gasparo, the details are exquisite and symbolic, representing peace and strength. Now let's talk about the coin's composition. By 1974, the Kennedy half dollar was no longer minted in silver for general circulation. Instead, it was made of a copper-nickel-clad composition, which means the outer layers are a mix of copper and nickel. This composition ensures durability for circulation, but makes the coin less valuable in terms of intrinsic metal content. So, why is the 1974 half dollar significant? It was minted during a time when the U.S. economy was shifting. The removal of silver from most circulating coins by 1970 had already marked the end of an era. However, the Kennedy half dollar remained a popular coin, often kept as a collectible rather than used in everyday transactions. With such high production numbers, this coin is not considered rare in circulated condition. But that's not all. Certain errors and variations can make the 1974 half dollar far more valuable. Keep an eye out for the lettering and for the original dollar, or the lettering can be skewed in Rabi's version. If you notice doubling, you might have a valuable error coin worth anywhere from $50 to $200, depending on its condition. These errors are rarer, but can fetch significant premiums. So always inspect your coins carefully. You never know what treasure you might find. In summary, the 1974 Kennedy half dollar is a common but historic coin. While most are worth only face value, uncirculated coins, proofs, or error coins can bring significant value to collectors. Whether you're looking for the iconic bits, tokens, or an inspiring case study in memory, Branch and Arrows, that also describes it as a boldly colorful cologne-carrying branch and arrows, symbolizes peace and military strength. The intricate design with its stars and stripes is a striking representation of American ideals. High production volume ensured that the coin remained common in circulation. The Kennedy half dollar of 1974 was minted during a turbulent economic period in the United States. The country was dealing with the aftermath of the Nixon shock, a series of economic measures in the early 1970s that ended the Bretton Woods system and decoupled the U.S. dollar from gold. Additionally, the energy crisis of 1973-74 and rising inflation created challenges for the American economy. Coins like the Kennedy half dollar, with no intrinsic silver value, were a practical solution for maintaining a reliable currency supply. The 1974 Kennedy half dollar is known for certain errors and varieties that make it highly collectible today. Some 1974 coins exhibit doubling on Kennedy's profile, the date, or inscriptions like "Liberty" and "In God We Trust." These errors are rare and highly sought after by collectors. These minting errors occur when the coin blank is not properly aligned during the striking process, creating a unique appearance. The San Francisco Mint produced proof versions with sharper details and a mirror-like finish, primarily for collectors, while the Kennedy half dollar was intended for circulation. By 1974, it was increasingly uncommon to find these coins in everyday transactions. Many Americans saved them as collectibles or used them in ceremonial or commemorative contexts. Today, the 1974 Kennedy half dollar is not considered rare. but its connection to Kennedy's legacy and the era in which it was minted ensures its place in American numismatics. Would you like to expand further on any specific aspect of its history? Thanks for tuning into. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more about coins, collectibles, and their values, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. They're great, man. They're the easiest way to purchase energy, from parrots to strangers, and if you've got a 1974 half dollar or any other coin you're curious about, drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you.